Yo, what's up, people? It's your boy P. Ross back in the building for Ross Wristwatch Love. You know what I'm saying? And this has been a great week for me anyway, for watches. You know what I mean? Just came in. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to unbox this joint and we're going to see what's up. You understand what I'm saying? Oh, still rocking the Benris. You understand what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and open this joint up right now and see what we got going on. This pack is pretty good. I like that. I like that. Taped down pretty good. Here you go. Alright. And I did get this off of eBay, and here is the piece that your boy acquired right here. Seiko 5. Check that out. Seiko 5. Look at that. Ain't that nice? Ain't that beautiful? Yes. Yeah, I like that. I like that. Not bad. Take a good look at that joint right there. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let's see. Yeah, there it is. All right, we got the... And this is actually from 1988. You know what I mean? So what's the time? 4 o'clock. And today is Saturday. I'll go ahead and hook it up. There we go. Yeah, that is nice. That is brilliant. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna turn the camera around so we take a closer look at it. People, here we go. Close up on the Seiko 5. From vintage from 1988. Look at that piece. Gold dial. Date complication. This is the bomb. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Look at that. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. So we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna try him on the wrist right quick. You know what I mean? So just stand by. There it is, people. The vintage Seiko 5 in the building. You know what I'm saying? Seiko, one of the great watch companies of the world. Right here in the building. Ross Wristwatch Love. This was an unboxing. And get into it. Peace. And we out.